Good morning, Sierra. Little early riser. Good morning. The sunrise is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Look at it. And I am absolutely exhausted. I don't think I've ever been this tired sailing. It's really a difference being only Kazza and I on board, first of all, and then being only two people and having Sierra to take care of as well is like, man, it's tough. But we're doing it, you know. It just takes a little bit of extra time, and boy, I could sure use a frickin' nap or a good sleep. But we should hopefully be there within 24 hours to Inagua, and we're gonna do a really quick check-in, and then after we check in, we'll sleep and rest a bit, and then we'll carry on, because then it's another 150 miles, I think, to our main stop, where we're gonna be chilling for a while, which I'm really looking forward to.
Wing on wing, which is awesome. I love downwind sailing. It's such a difference. I can't even imagine going the other way. Just surfed down this huge wave and I saw 13.8 knots. It like broke behind us. It was crazy, right? The wind is definitely picking up. It's like, yeah, 20 knots now, something like that. So we're going fast, flying. Not such a good day napper.
I'm not a good day napper, but I need to sleep because I've only been getting like 4 hours of sleep a night because of the different watch schedule.
It's weird sleeping, like, I was just thinking about how people do it when you have like a job that you have to be awake during the night and then sleep during the day. It messes you up. You feel like foggy and like heavy and stuff, and I guess the movement of the boat as well, but yeah, I still feel like we're doing pretty good though. Do you feel like it's been easier or harder with the baby on passage, like long passage like this?
Definitely takes time, right?
Yeah.
I mean, she takes up half your time. The boat takes up the other half. There's not much time left after that. I mean, you still have to do normal things. Plane's a little bit harder because she slides all over the place.
Yeah.
But I don't know, it's cool. Oh geez. And then night watch has been exhausting because we've had to change our watches around her sleeping and feeding schedule. I don't know. I mean, we're still alive.
Yeah.
Nobody's like going crazy, and I think we're doing pretty good. So I guess it's easier than I expected.
Yeah.
I didn't really know what to expect. Night at sea before we get to Inagua. We're about 68 miles away now. So it's 7 knots, that's just under 10 hours. And we're going faster than 7 knots. Oh, wow.
We're starting to get a bit close to Inagua, the island where we're gonna stop. We were like 4 nautical miles away. We have it kind of on our starboard side. And the radar isn't picking up land. Like, I don't know what is wrong with it. I've tweaked like all the settings and everything, and I've reset, nothing helps. And it doesn't show any land there, so I don't like just kind of feeling that the chart is right. Like, I want some solid proof that that's actually where the island is. And it's supposed to be a lighthouse on the end of the point that I think I should be able to see, and I cannot see it. So that doesn't make me feel fussy either. We're getting pretty close to the point now.
Oh.
We're almost here. What's our game plan?
Well, we came around the corner, we got the pole down, jibs up, so we're sailing in. And we're just gonna get perpendicular to where the harbor is, and then we'll just motor straight up into it real slow because it's pretty dark, but I don't see any other boats out here, and it is a pretty easy harbor to approach. Then we'll drop the hook, get some sleep. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
We made, oh God.
I know.
We made pretty good time too.
Now I need some rest.
Yeah,
Jesus Christ, I'm exhausted.
I'll put this stuff away. Alright, it's morning time, and I've decided to go on a solo mission and see if I can get us checked in, because if I can get us checked in this morning, then we can actually leave and we can be in our destination, the Ragged Islands, like tomorrow, which would be awesome, and then we wouldn't have to spend the night here. So instead of putting the dinghy in, I'm just going to paddleboard in. I'm going to run to Customs and Immigration with a dry bag and see how quickly I can get it done. Wish me luck. I made sort of a mess of myself, but I don't know what happened. I got on the board, the boat took a roll, and it hit me with the paddleboard mounts, and then it knocked me like right off the board. But I thought ahead, and everything's in a dry bag, so nothing is bad except me got a little wet, which I will dry on the walk to Customs. All right, here we go. Thank you. I appreciate it. That's very kind. Cool. Nice people. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.
All right.
Cool.
And the second one they'll put in when your second entry is. To get that second entry, you just need to keep this and be back in the Bahamas before 90 days.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right.
Appreciate it. You guys have a great one, and see you next time we're back.
All right. Good
Bye.
stuff.
Thank
All right,
you.
bye.
Okay, that might have been the shortest port stop ever. In and out. You know what happened to me? I got on the paddleboard and the boat rolled, and the mount for the paddleboard hit me and knocked me into the water. A little embarrassing, but no harm, no foul. And we're off. Next stop, the place we've been looking forward to all season. Yeah, all right, here we go. Our visit to the Ragged Islands was cut short last year because we needed to park Delos, jump on a plane, and go have a baby. But during the short time we were anchored in the Raggeds, we fell in love with the beauty and isolation of these islands. So when it came time to make plans for the season, both Kazza and I agreed to do our best to stay longer. With our freshly stamped visas and 3 months of provisions on board, we were eager to make tracks and settle in for some uninhabited island cruising. We're cruising, making 7 knots, bopping along, ETA tomorrow morning, like early. Look who's awake.
Got another squisher.
Did she? That's 2 poops today. It's a good thing I just did diapers. You know how many diapers we've used in the last day and a half? I counted 22 diaper pads and 4 of those big square ones, which means we've saved 26 diapers in a day and a half.
Can't even imagine doing it with disposals. Like, where would you put them, right?
We'd have bags of shitty diapers, like literally stuffed all over the place.
Ew.
Oh, gross! In the tropical heat.
Ew.
Whoa. That's pretty nice. Good morning, Nugget. Good morning. Did you sleep good?
I cannot believe she slept through last night though.
Yeah, why?
There was one wave, I think it put 2 bucket loads of water in the cockpit.
Nuh-uh.
It came like from the side. It hit right here where she was sleeping, and it was literally like a gunshot, like BAM! To the side, and it went like splash, poof, straight into the cockpit. And she slept through that. I was like, now she's gonna wake up, and she did.
Good job, Nugget.
Yeah.
Well, we are 7.2 nautical miles away.
Okay.
So that's the good news.
Do you want to lay down for a little bit?
Yeah, I was just gonna ask you because I'm like super tired.
Yeah.
And I was thinking that most of the accidents I've heard happen at this time when you're tired, when you're making landfall in an unknown place, and I would like to get rest, even if it's for an hour.
Oh, I'm so excited to get there. It feels like a really big achievement too, to kind of have this longer passage done, and we did it with just the 2 of us and Sierra. I was pretty nervous, to be honest, but I think we did really well, and we just did it differently, you know, more flexible schedule, just going more about how Brian feels, how I feel, and then just sleep accordingly and try to support each other and respect each other in that we both need sleep. Now we're gonna get here and we're gonna chill, and it's gonna be amazing. We have so much good food, and it's just gonna be the 2 of us and Sierra, and beautiful beaches and crystal clear water, which I am very ready for. Are you ready for the beach? Getting closer.
I'm so excited, Kazza. We've been, I think, looking forward to coming to this particular spot all season, right?
Yeah.
It's right in front of us, and we're coming in through the pass. The weather's beautiful, the Nugget is sleeping, and all is looking good.
It hasn't changed much in the year we've been gone. It looks amazing. No one here but us. 4 meters under us, and it looks like we're gonna hit ground. The water is so clear. You can see it hit right there.
Nice job, Kazza. That was amazing. That was a long sail for just the two of us and a baby nugget.
Yeah. You did pretty good.
We did really good. So we went a total of 610 miles in 87 hours for an average speed of 7 knots, just over 7 knots. That is really good to have an average speed that high. Pretty happy with that.
Yeah, we were flying.
Yeah. So nice job, Kazza.
Yeah.
Give me hugs. Oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Thank you guys so much for coming along on this passage. It was a really nice sail. If you like the videos, please subscribe and like the channel. It's a free and fast way to support the videos.
Look at my little helper.
Love you guys.
Bye. Up next on Delos, we begin our exploration of the Ragged Islands. And it's been so long since we've been someplace where you can actually do this. Crashing us around. Oh no, not the GoPro. Business in the front, party in the back. Look at that. Like it? I like it a lot.